Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Sharisa Crazy Beauty, chapter 48. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to General Tantay. Right now, she's been investigating. Well, what a foreman. She was calling General. Of course, General Tantay. Really want to know the answer. Well, surely want to know where the whereabouts of Princess Baiman. Now, Sharon. Of course, she will do anything to find Princess Baiman. She can escape the problem of eliminating herself every time. But suddenly, General Sharon, she realized that Princess Baiman is like stopping her. Now, get out of the way. Yes, the old man was in panic. Now, it seems that she's going to calm down. Dignified white family female, the nine kings and the concubines are actually live a such life, but I have never felt that the same way about her predicament. Why I'm so conceited that I think I have nothing to do with her, not no. I was wrong. General Sharo admitted to herself, but surely admit her mistakes. But now, the general came to the Bai family to find a lonely woman, to doom, to lose hopeful. Well, her mother, Baiman's mother, was talking to General Sharon. It's the yard where Baimans lived before she got married, so the general would go there if he wanted to. Manyang, she. Oh, suddenly her mother stopped. I couldn't bear the private meeting in the palace, but I was estranged and neglected. Baiman's mother said to her, forget it. Well, probably she don't want to speak. But Princess Baiman's mother said, General, please. General Sharon said, thank you, madam. Well, definitely, she really want to find an answer. My heart to you. Probably, like Bayuko, you are left out of the window. I'm not worthy of loving you at all. General Sharon said to herself, well, where's Princess Baiman? It seems that General Sharon, she was really frustrated on looking at hers. I don't deserve to love you at all. General Sharon, she bowed down. Now, General Sharon said, she keeps saying love. Well, definitely, her love for her is not too enough. In the past and present, I have lived for 2 lifetimes, but I don't understand love. I should have heard that what you're saying and understand what you want. Now, it really makes sense, not just myself. What qualifications do I have to complain that you don't love me? Now, she continued to think on herself. Of course, right now, she suddenly realized that there's something. Anyang, where are you? There's Sharon. When she dig on the floor, turns out there's something on it. There's something underneath. General Sharon said to herself. Now she noticed that the underneath is hollow. It seems that there's something on it. Now, what is this? Turns out a box. Well, what could it be wrong? General Sharon, it turns out she was lucky. What is it hidden by Baiman? So maybe, important thing that was hidden right there. Now she's going to discover it. Of course, she got really afraid. What is Baiman's hiding? Now she really want to open it. Well, when she opened the box, it turns out she seems to be surprised. What could it be? It's me and Baiman's letter. So it turns out Baiman is really sweet. She can keep letters, right? But moreover, she got pretty surprised. Shopkeeper, can I ask you about something? 9 princes in the city, what kind of dowries have been found these days? So it turns out Princess Baiman is the runaway. She found something. Now General Sharo noticed it. That's why she want to ask the shopkeeper. General Shao, let's go and check it out. The man said to her. Now, General, this is the list of the 9 princes' pawns. So it turns out there's a list and also there's a lot. Well, probably, she didn't need it so much. That's all, the 9 princes are the heirs of the aristocratic family. How can a dowry be so vulgar? General Sharon is asking an old man. Now, do you hide it? Anyang, if still want to know, you are differ and more, but how late? Now, it really makes sense. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for supporting Nachla Safa, Ashi, Mero Segundo. Thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.